crack it in here first, so we don't make it anywhere. Like, how did I crack it? I think the package made it more harder. Did it?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. Let's keep opening. Let's keep opening. Why do I hear footsteps? Maybe somebody's walking around stealing my eggs.
Actually, this is from Italy, if I'm right.
I just put my fingernails in there. Now there's chocolate in. Oh, fireworks!
Yeah,
Boom,
this is from
boom,
Italy.
boom.
It says Italy.
I just thought I just got a very big chunk of chocolate somewhere on the floor. How did I do that? Okay, we'll pick it up later, right? Oh,
What's that?
we got the little sheepy. I love that girl. Yeah, and then we got a little sheepy. And then he's like, I'm walking around the chocolate. Ah, look. Whoa, what? It's so scary. What is that? Oh, sorry. Nobody saw that. And that. I got it. I got the piece of big chocolate on the floor. Okay. Now I'll show you guys the flyer again. Okay. See you in the next video. I want to make more. Bye. Let's move on to the next video.